All right, traders, today is May 15th, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. First chart, SPY, higher low, higher high, in a bullish uptrend with making higher lows and higher highs, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. That is a new all-time high for SPY. I'm going to go out on a limb and say a lot of the other stuff did the same thing. QQQ got a... Yeah, that's a new all-time high. Let me just make sure. Yep. New all-time high for QQQ on the daily chart. Same thing as SPY. Higher low, higher high. Closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. FNGU. Higher low, higher high. Closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Is that a new all-time high? I don't think so. Yeah, it's got a ways to go, but that is it's a new 2-year high. New 2-year high for FNGU. I would expect that to crawl up these breakdown candles right here. So that's a new 2-year high for FNGU. All right, let's go back to the daily chart. That is in an uptrend and it is bullish, putting in new 2-year high. Okay, so that's FNGU. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM, let's move this out of the way. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Not a new all-time high. And here's the all-time high right there. And that was made in 2021. 244.46. Okay, let's go back to FNGU. All-time high 500.50. All right, let's go visit IWM. All right, IWM. Now let's go visit Diamond Dow. All right, so here's Diamond Dow on the daily chart. Okay, putting in a new all-time high for Diamond Dow. Right there. That's a new all-time high for Diamond Dow. Price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Diamond Dow in an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. And finally, we spent the whole day in the overbought zone, just chomping around all day. I'll say 221.23, probably green from beginning of the day to the end of the day, rising up over the rising 200 SMA on the 15-minute chart. 3-bar chart's going to look the same. A lot of space opening up between price action and the trend indicator. You can see us rising up over this rising 200 SMA, headed back for the prior all-time highs and the all-time highs. So there's T21.23. FNGU, probably green all day. Yep, it's just a green. And green all day long on FNGU indicators. Go back and look at some sectors. First sector, SMH. All right, not a new all-time high, but it's a new 2-month high. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. SMH in an uptrend. IYT. Not this again. All right, let's see what we got today. So IYT got an inside day, all right, and where did they close? On the daily chart, they closed up here. So they closed probably inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. This is not the true candle. So there's IYT. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF in an uptrend with higher lows, making higher highs. All right. Today's price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Is that a new all-time high for XLF? The high is 42.22. 42.22. So they couldn't make an new all-time high, new 2-month high, new 1-month high, 1.5 month high, right there on XLF. XLK, new all-time high for XLK, making higher lows and higher highs and higher highs. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. New all-time high for XLK. XLI. XLI is, what's the high? That is 126.11. Over here, 126.22. Not quite got the mustard. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, attacking the prior all-time highs. All right, not far from it. Could get some follow through tomorrow. All right, traders, that's it. Well, we'll take a look at a few others. Okay, USO. All right, USO putting in, looks like a higher high and a lower low, closing inside the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. UNG, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. USO still in a downtrend. UNG still in an uptrend. Silver and gold. Silver, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, making a new, no, not quite. Didn't quite get there yet, but it's edging for it. All right, so almost a new. I don't think that's an all-time high. So where's the all-time high for this? Is right there, and that number is 48.35. Just want to get that out there. All right, so new 2-year high, nope, not yet. So new multi-year high, nope, not yet. Okay, but nonetheless, attacking the prior highs. So there's silvers. Take a look at gold. Gold for today. All right, well, looks like, is that, yes, that's a monthly. All right, so gold for today, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Gold is in an uptrend. I think that's the all-time high for gold right there. And got a little ways to go. So we're going to start climbing up that breakdown that wick up there. So that's it. All right, traders, that's it for today. Everybody had a good day. I'm glad. Awesome, Scott. Love it. Robert, everybody. Stefan, tonight at 5, right? Just give me a yes. All right, tonight at 5. All right. Everybody have a wonderful evening. All right. Have a beautiful day and a wonderful evening. Let's start this tomorrow. What do we got? Thank you out there in YouTube land. So what do we got? Here is the US dollar. This rally brought to you by the CPI and the US dollar tanking right here. So US dollar coming all the way down to the flat 200 SMA. All right, now we were down here earlier, but we didn't get through. So good chance they're coming through it this time. All right, so probably a test of, where would they test if they were going to, if they cut through, I would want to test probably this area right here, right on top of these, right on top of these. So I would probably want to test 103.80. So looking for some follow through down to 103.80 tomorrow. All right, we'll see what we get. We'll see what happens. All right, 103, actually 103.70. So there's the US dollar. All right, and that was brought to us by the economic calendar, which gave us the CPI today at 8:30. That was the main event this week. Got some jobless claims coming out tomorrow and some other stuff, but all in all, it was the CPI and the falling dollar all at the same time. Okay, traders, everybody have a wonderful evening. I'll see y'all tomorrow at 8. Everybody out there on YouTube, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8. And on Facebook, appreciate it. Had a great day. Everybody have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.